I've enjoyed being here. It's been challenging and I've really enjoyed it. Everyone here has been so nice to us and treated us like family, so yeah.
Yeah, same for me. It was pretty good. Last 1 month, everyone's nice to me. Even training, it's very quality, high level.
The coaches have, I guess, precise our movement and technical ability.
Same. Training every day, 2 times, which is very hard, and I think it's very good.
Players were all experienced players. As soon as we got there, they were very kind and understanding that we didn't speak Spanish, so it made us easier to integrate with the squad.